Spread bettors expected Britain's FTSE to open down 0.2%, Germany's DAX to start 0.15% lower and France's CAC to open 0.2% lower. The euro momentarily dipped to $US January 1817 early in the day as preliminary results from regional votes on Thursday showed pro-independence parties in Catalonia keeping an absolute majority. It trimmed losses to last stand at $US January 1849, down 0.2%. Some speculators appeared to have sold the euro in thin trading, said Yukio Ishizuka, senior currency strategist at Daiwa Securities in Tokyo. The overall impact of the Catalan vote on the euro and the wider global markets is likely to be limited, however. Catalonia cannot become a sovereign state if no other country recognizes its independence. It won't even be able to have its own currency under such conditions. Bitcoin momentarily fell 14.7% to below $US 14,000 on the Bitstamp exchange on Friday. The volatile digital currency trimmed its losses to last stand at $US 14,100 for a loss of 9.3%. The cryptocurrency, which was at about $1,000 at the year's start, had climbed to a record high of $US 19,666 on Sunday. The Asia-Pacific region's equities took cues from Wall Street, after all three of its indexes posted gains overnight on strength in bank and energy stocks and news the U.S. economy grew in the third quarter at its fastest pace in more than 2 years. Supporting U.S. stocks this week, and by extension global equities, was the passage through Congress of a $1.5 trillion tax-cutting bill. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was 0.5% higher. Hong Kong's Hang Seng added 0.3% and Shanghai dipped 0.1%. Australian stocks advanced 0.15%, South Korea's Kospi gained 0.45% and Japan's Nikkei rose 0.15%. The dollar was steady at 113.370 yen, with its index against a basket of 6 major currencies 0.1% higher at 93.392. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yield was at 2.482%, having pulled back slightly from a 9-month peak above 2.500% scaled the previous day. Treasury yields rose earlier this week after Congress approved a U.S. tax code overhaul that was expected to lift economic growth but add at least $1 trillion to the national debt in 10 years. In commodities, U.S. crude futures slipped 0.3% to $58.20 per barrel, an earlier rise losing steam as traders sold to adjust positions ahead of the year-end. The contracts had reached a 9-day peak of $58.38 overnight as OPEC started working on plans